Now let's look at the daily management on the farm as a whole. And with that, we start about the feeding routine. Remember, you are supposed to feed your pigs at least twice a day. For the matured ones, twice a day is okay. But for the piglets, it's good for you to feed them maybe 3 times in a day, morning, afternoon, evening. And also, you need to ensure that you are always cleaning the rooms, if possible. If it is a cemented floor, you need to clean it at least twice a day. Should be okay to keep your pigs healthy. And if it is the IMO or you are using the sawdust and all those things, you need to be turning them frequently. Maybe once every week, you take a week, you turn the sawdust around, and maybe we apply the IMO solution back into it to keep them neat and comfortable for your animals. Remember, if this sawdust pile up, they begin to produce some gas, which can be very toxic if your pigs start inhaling into them. And that is where you see them with the runny eyes and then the nose. And then maybe after 3 months, you take the entire sawdust from the room and replace it with fresh ones and begin the whole process once again. And as part of the daily activities on the farm, you need to be monitoring your pigs for health issues as well as record keeping. You need to take note of everything that is happening on your farm. I know this is a bit complicated if I tell you to do it yourself. That is why I took my time to list all that you need to do, and then I even arranged them in the template form. All you need to do is to enter your details or the data. That's what you need to do. I've aligned it for you perfectly. The book I included in the description. Just get it. You enter it as it is. If you deworm it. You know the mail you give, the category of page you give to, who did the deworming, and what was the dosage. And after the deworm, what was the outcome after maybe a week. You begin to see them all like that in your spreadsheet. It should be perfect for you too. And as part of daily management also, you take note of your pigs that are performing better. If as a particular sow is there and she's always giving you a defective piglet, like she gives birth and all the piglets are maybe deformed, blindness or broken legs and other things, if you know that you're doing the right thing, that particular sow should not be allowed to reproduce again. You just take her off. We say curl hair. Curling means you are taking her off for meat, and then you replace her with a very important and more productive one. So if you don't take records of your animals and their performance, you will never know this. That is why you need to track the sows and the bulls. If there's a sow that produces less piglet than you expect, you know that this sow is not going to be used again. But if there's another one that is always giving you more piglet like you desire, in that case, you take note of that sow and always ensure that you use her for breeding. And also select the next breeding stock from her descendants, because they are definitely going to do well for you.